Mr. Samet Samantha, DCF Admin, PCCF Wildlife. We have Satrabata Sanu Rat, representative of IMA Odisha chapter, and Mr. Raj Singh, Managing Director of Antara Group. So ladies and gentlemen, we have a lovely set of panelists from a policy maker to the trade. Kya baat hai? So sir, to you please let us take us through a vision of Odisha tourism through your presentation. Thank you sir.
Thank you. First and foremost, I would like to thank IATO for choosing Odisha and especially Puri, my sacred city, for 40th Annual Convention. And as we all know, we are land of Lord Jagannath. We are land of heritage and architecture, being nature, rich culture. We are a state growing more than national average. Last year it was 7.2%, the national average 6.4%. Honorable Prime Minister recently launched our Vision 2036 and 2047 Vikasit Odisha, where tourism has major role to play. It's very difficult to speak post first session with veterans, Suman sir, and all who are present here. State provide policy impetus, provide incentives, infrastructure, enabling environment. We have progressive policy, tourism policy 22 and working on amendments as per requirement. We have homestay policy, upcoming new destination policy, where promoting domestic and international connectivity, air connectivity. Before we go for detail, our sectoral authorities will speak for our business partners. We will see one video, what Honorable Prime Minister speak about our state. Video please.
Odisha, not just a place, but a feeling, a land where every journey is a discovery and every experience a story waiting to be told.
5 times doubled up our destination, from 11 destinations to 53 destinations, walking across 22 districts of the state. So it's a very good area where we have tried to identify women folk who work with us as the ETG members with dignity, and women folk actually leading ecotourism in its low-key areas. We want to make it as a niche segment, we want to make it as a privileged segment, and it cannot be possible because of it's because of only of you. We can take it to the next level, and we have identified certain areas where people conservation, conserving nature, conserving wildlife, completely outside forests and completely outside protected areas, largely depends upon investments, and therefore it's a beckoning from our side that you need to come into Odisha, making Odisha as a part of Make in India campaign, make this tourism thrive, and unleash this potential of wildlife in our state. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So all our partners who are present in this hall, when birds come to Chilika from.
I'm privileged to be in part of this amazing conclave, and thank you Sir Balwant Singh sir for so beautifully representing Odisha in a very comprehensive manner. I have been an event manager and into media communications for almost 30 years. And fortunately, I have also been a travel show host for the last 3.5 years and been parts of Odisha for a show called Explore Odisha. So I would feel thankful that I am representing Odisha for connecting events and tourism. MICE, as we know, is meetings, incentives, conferences and exhibitions. So basically MICE is about business. It is about the economy. So how do we connect MICE with tourism, with nature, with heritage, culture, textiles, which Odisha has everything to offer. As we say in Odia, Eti jaha achi, au koti bhi nahi. In fact, that's not about only Odisha. Every small part of Odisha in 10-15 kilometers radius offers almost everything a tourist would want to. If you would go to the southern part of Odisha in Ganjam, you can stay in Gopalpur in some of the finest hotels, do water sports in Tampara, go to the Jirang Buddhist monastery, go to Taptapani, and of course go to, sir, if you would know, there's a managed by the forest department, Ghoda Hada, very small but exclusive forest retreat managed by the forest department, where you can see crocodiles, deer, and everything. So Odisha obviously has everything to offer, thanks to God and thanks to the people involved. But how do we connect the travel industry, the event industry, to bring more of business events to Odisha? Yes, as sir has said, the number of rooms are increasing almost every day. In the next 10 years, by 2036, 100 years of Odisha, we would be having enough quality rooms for all kinds of business events across the state. And if, sir, you would be thankful to know, only yesterday we did an event for a company in Jharsuguda, where people travel by flight, by train, by road. Everything is so accessible. But we need all your support. And of course, you would obviously be feeling, people who have come for the first time to Odisha or just been to Puri, there is so much to offer in Odisha. So whether you're doing a meeting or some kind of incentive event for your corporate people, for your clients, conferences, very big conferences, infrastructure is growing. Exhibitions, of course, are a very important part to build our economy, not only in Odisha, but for the country. And weddings, the weddings industry is growing by leaps and bounds. And that, I think, the travel industry has to connect with. So I would say the event industry, the travel industry, and everybody into hospitality, and of course the government is doing so much. We have to put our heads together and make the state of Odisha as an amazing destination as it is. We all know about it, just people have to come and make it a great destination.
Thank you, Satyagraha. In fact, we will offer financial and non-financial incentives to this sector, and more and more infrastructure to grow. I'll request now Mr. Gagan Sarangi, representing our tour operator in our state and chapter head here, to add few.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I think all of you have already seen the slides, and the Odisha is so beautiful, and Odisha offers a unique experience to everybody. But as you know, because our major source market as of now is, I'm talking of the inbound tourism, it's always been this Italy, Belgium, and the Dutch market like that. Because so far we have only promoted this coastal area, the Puri, Bhubaneswar, and Konark, then tribal area to some extent, and we had some challenges that time because of lack of infrastructure, but then the hotel rooms were quite few in number. But as you can see now, it is developed a lot. It is really developed a lot. You can see this. So we are looking for new market. We are looking for the market from the US, UK market that we want to. And IATO is the right platform. All of you are experienced, professional, and you have connection worldwide. I hope with your help and support from the delegates, all of you, those who are present today, and you can promote Odisha, you can at least put in your brochure, in your online brochure, in your, and you can tell your overseas agent how you can promote Odisha in a better way. And more than that,
and promotion aspect, how do you envisage involving the tour operators in your marketing plan of action internationally, sir?
So, of course, valid when we are sitting in an annual convention, and we expect a lot from all partners here present in this hall. And first push came from this convention, thanks. But we expect much more in coming days from all of you. So we see three front thing when we will work with tour operators. First, we want to grow in our state number wise and quality wise, more DMC and national player who can presence in Odisha. So first is when we work heavily on digital strategy, marketing front, how we can co-create content with all of you, and we become partner and we reach out to world. That's first. Second, on knowing state well and our new products, we would like to invite all of you and your team and even international players to come and see state. We usually call it FAM tours, to share market intelligence, how to work, how to take feedback from all of you and work as national goal. And third thing, at international platform where we have road shows or we participate, our domestic and national partner sell my product, Odisha's product, how we will incentivize in our upcoming Odisha tourism policy amendments. I'm sure all of you would love to work with us. That's all.
Thank you, sir. And one very important aspect which we all seek is how do you plan to incentivize our tour operators, financially I'm talking about, by way of your schemes, those who are actively promoting Odisha. So incentivization of the trade is very important, sir. Your view, sir.
It's part of our state present policy, and when we are working on more amendment, we will certainly see as key player my tour operators who get more opportunity when we work with capital infrastructure, CIS subsidy. At the same time, all partners get equal share. Incentivizing when they book and get more business for my state on our state portal, how they are incentivized, that we are working. And of course, supporting when they are participating at international platform, national platform, financially participation assistance. These two sectors we are working heavily, and of course recognition, who will get more business to us, more support they will provide to a state tourism sector.
Thank you very much, sir, for your presentation, and of course all the members of the trade over here for giving their ideas on mice, on wildlife, on heritage and culture. And I'm sure our stakeholders will take it across the world. With this, we conclude this session.
Thank you, Rahul, and thank you all of you. On behalf of state, I would like to thank again, and coming 2 days when you, and after that you are in field, lot many people are visiting our state, various products they will see. Enjoy, have good time, and come again and again whenever you feel, with family, friends, and of course clients. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving Odisha to the people and welcoming everyone with open arms.
Thanks for extra time. Thanks.